In San Francisco, California, on April 18, 1906, at approximately 5:12 a.m. local time, an earthquake occurred. The earthquake was caused when the Pacific Plate slid horizontally northwestward, relative to the North American Plate, causing earthquakes along the San Andreas Fault. This earthquake was a result of a transform plate boundary. The earthquake caused a rupture in the San Andreas Fault to the north and south of the city, for a total of 296 miles in length. The earthquake could be felt from southern Oregon to Los Angeles, California, and inland to the central part of Nevada. The earthquake lasted for less than a minute, but had a huge impact on the city. It caused several fires to ignite, that burned for 3 days, destroying approximately 500 city blocks. The earthquake and fires killed an estimated 3,000 people, and left half of the city's 400,000 residents homeless. The earthquake forced survivors to sleep in tents in city parks since they no longer had livable homes. Damages were estimated around $500 million, which would have been more with today's economy. Congress responded to the disaster by enacting emergency appropriations for the city to pay for food, water, tents, blankets, and medical supplies for the survivors in the weeks following the earthquake. Congress also appropriated funds to help reconstruct the many public buildings that were damaged or destroyed. With a magnitude of 7.8, the earthquake was labeled one of the worst natural disasters in U.S. history. It left the city in a cloud of smoke from all of the resulting fires. What wasn't burned in fire was turned to rubble. The fire was so strong it created its own weather pattern, causing storm force winds to feed itself with more and more oxygen. The earthquake caused the water lines in the city to break, so firefighters were unable to tame the fires. The damage and destruction from the earthquake allowed the city to be rebuilt with more logical structures. The city was a classic Western boomtown, and had been built in an unorganized, haphazard manner following the gold rush of 1849. Being able to rebuild the city on a clean slate after the earthquake allowed for the construction of more structurally sound buildings. The city was rebuilt in a more organized manner, which helped to make room for the city's growing population. If you are interested in learning more, or would like further information on this natural disaster event, please reference the following websites. Thanks for watching.